Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Ashu Madgil here, and today I will be sharing with you something that I have recently started doing, and that is mandala art. I'm using Mandala Art Coloring for expanding my sense of gratitude, and it is a very good mindfulness tool as well, a good meditation for people who find it difficult to sit down and close their eyes. So you can meditate while you are actively participating and doing something in the outer world at the same time. So mandalas are a very good way to practice mindfulness and to set intentions, and as well as to help enhance your productivity. I would be sharing with you my observations and what differences do I feel as I continue doing mandala art coloring. I love colors. I'm a very visual person, so I think this meditation is quite suitable for me. So if you're like me and if you'd like to try and explore something different, you're not a kind of person who like to do a closed eye meditation, it's a very good meditation for the beginners. You can start off with mandala art coloring meditation. I will be uploading more mandalas I will be creating on my website. So do subscribe, do like my Facebook page so that you can get regular notifications about the new mandalas I would be uploading, so that you could download and start coloring and using it as a tool to expand well-being and creating more intentions and manifest those intentions in your life. And fulfill the intentions that you would like to give out to the universe. So today I will be sharing with you something that I created. I created this mandala, and after creating it, I colored it. So I created this mandala with an intention to color it, of course. And before coloring, I created an intention that I want to expand my sense of gratitude. But in this video, I will keep it to the point of how I use the mandala coloring to help expand my sense of gratitude in my consciousness. And then at the end of this activity, what difference did I notice in the way I felt around having gratitude? So to do this activity, I just needed two tools, very simple tools that you can find around in your house. And those are these simple set of colored pencils. Today I use this colored pencils, a few colors, as well as this template that I created before coloring it. This template is also available for free download on my Facebook page shop or on my website. You can head down to any of these locations. I will give the links in the description box below for you to follow and download it. So you just need these two tools in order to start off on your journey to mindful coloring of mandalas and expanding in your life whatever you wish to expand. I found this activity very useful, and I feel that I would be doing it more so on regular basis. And so once I created an intention, I started focusing my attention on the gratitude that I want to expand in my life or in my consciousness. So as I'm coloring, as you can see, I'm using any color that I take fancy to, and as I'm coloring, I am also focusing on what are the things in my life that I'm grateful for. What am I grateful for? To my family, I'm at this moment, what is happening is that I'm recalling all those moments that I remember from my life where I find my family and my friends are able to extend their help to me, or in many ways how much they contribute to my life, and the ways they offer me support, like for being there when I need them, for giving me a listening ear, for giving me any kind of resources or support that I may turn towards them in times of need. So as I'm coloring, I am also experiencing that gratitude within my body and mind very, very consciously. So this activity is a very good meditation. It's an overnight meditation, a very active meditation that will help to enhance your connection with your own self, and also help to improve your connection with others around you. So this is a very good activity. If it is done on regular basis, without gap, you will definitely be able to see the permanent change in the way you perceive your relationships, and definitely it will increase your sense of gratification towards other people in your life. Maybe you will have less complaints from the people around you, the same people that you felt they were not able to fulfill your expectations. Maybe that would decline to some extent, and you would be able to appreciate the ways in which they contribute to your life and the ways they help you. So this activity, I feel, is a very good way to begin practicing mindfulness and bringing in the element of mindfulness in your life. A lot of research studies has been done that without doubt put emphasis on the benefits of mindfulness in our lives, how mindfulness practice can help to improve your life. It can help to improve your well-being, your emotional well-being, your mental well-being, as well as your physical well-being, and not to talk about how much it can intensify in improving the quality of your relationship with people around you, as well as your relationship with your own self. So you see that I'm using different colors, and I'm just using my intuitive compass that and choosing the colors. So there is no hard and fast rule in what colors to choose. But I do find while I was doing this activity, sometimes my mind would deviate from my intention, and other thoughts will begin to filter in. So I noticed while doing this activity, this is very good mindfulness tool to also train your brain from getting distracted. So I became conscious the moment I saw my thoughts are going in a different direction. I was able to hold them back to my intention of focusing on having more gratitude and remembrance of the events and memories that allowed me to expand more gratitude around people in my family as well as my circle of friends. So, as I'm coloring, I'm also recalling all those moments, and consciously in my mind, I am sending my gratitude to all those people who are the part of my friends and family circle. I'm kind of loving this activity, and I can see myself doing more on regular basis, and I will be sharing with you what difference and effects do I feel of doing this activity on regular basis, at least a few times in a week. Let's say I want to feel gratitude with more intensity, then I need to do this activity on regular basis. And just for everybody to know that we talk about gratitude, and the words that come to our mind when we think of gratitude are thank you. Thank you so much when I'm receiving a gift from somebody, or when I hear these words, when I exchange something with somebody. But gratitude is far deeper than that. Gratitude has many dimensions, it has many layers, and feeling the gratitude in the ways that I'm telling you, it requires conscious effort. We are not trained, and our brain is naturally not meant to feel these positive feelings and things automatically. We really need to make an effort, a conscious effort, to figure out and to use our higher potential of tapping into our individual positivity. So, in order to connect with our positive psychology, we really need to make an effort on everyday basis, and that should be a conscious effort. We live so mindlessly, we live so on autopilot, we are so much distracted out of habit. We are the creatures of habit, that we follow the same routines, we follow the same habits, we follow the same ways of thinking. And that's why I think sometimes we love listening to the talks on how to think out of box, and we appreciate those people who can think out of the box. They inspire us, isn't it? So why not we inspire our own selves? Why not we try to think out of the box? Why not we do something each day that is out of our old habit, that is different from our old habit, that will inspire us to pick up an activity like this or anything else that would allow us to expand our consciousness, our levels of awareness, and bring in more goodness in our lives. So I can tell you, if you start doing this simple activity, because I think this is the simplest form of meditation, I find that this is a very simple meditation that anybody can do. Even a child can start doing mandala art for their growth, for focusing on the things they want to achieve. It can be put to so many uses, and you can start with gratitude, or you can use it to create intention for setting some goals that you want to achieve. So it is a very good manifestation tool as well. It is a meditation as well as manifestation. So what you're doing, you're meditating in order to co-create in your life the things that you wouldn't otherwise pay attention to. So it is a very focused way of paying attention to the things that you want to bring into your life. So it is very scientific, because when you pay attention to something, that automatically will increase in your life. So through this mandala art coloring activity, you will be giving more time and space in your life to the things that are important to you, and you can fulfill your goals with its help. I really enjoyed doing this activity. I used different colors, and I found that I was not too much distracted. It only happens twice or thrice, but I was able to bring back my attention and focus it on experiencing more gratitude. When I started doing this activity, I felt like I was not feeling much difference in experiencing the feeling enhancement of gratitude in me, but as I continued, as I'm going to finish coloring it, I could start feeling slight differences. I could start feeling like a more well-being, a more good feeling. My brain was changing, and I was feeling in general better. I was feeling the intensity of feeling was improving in my body and mind. So that is kind of giving me a validation, a kind of more motivation to continue doing this activity. If I really want to increase my well-being, I want to increase the good feelings in my life. And I think mandala art coloring is a very good way to start for a beginner who is motivated to improve his well-being and relationships and expand gratitude in their lives. So stay connected to my channel if you would like to see my progress on mandala art and how I'm using it in different ways. I will be uploading videos on weekly basis on my routine of mandala art and what differences do I see in my life. When I started doing this activity, I had no concretely or specifically, I was not feeling gratitude in my body as intensely. I wouldn't say the intensity was too much by the time it took me half an hour to finish this activity, but there was a significant difference. I could say that on the gratitude meter, I was feeling somewhat grateful after doing this activity. And stay connected to me by subscribing to my channel. Hit the subscribe red button on the right hand side of my channel page, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get regular notifications whenever I upload a new video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video.